Tomorrow's state budget promises to provide much-needed financial support.
I can assure Queenslanders that we are absolutely focused on the cost of living pressures that they are experiencing.
$322 million was announced today to build an extra 500 homes across Queensland.
That is on top of the 2,765 that we had already committed to under this program by 2025.
But the member for Fisher says it's a drop in the ocean for what people actually need.
Businesses are having to close or reduce their hours because they can't get staff to be able to work in that business, literally because they can't afford to live here on the Sunshine Coast.
Andrew Wallace and many others have transport at the top of their wish list.
What we want to see is funding committed with start deadlines on roads, rail and new services.
The government's now doing a study to reduce congestion in Brisbane's north, but rail advocate Jeff Addison says it's dropped the ball when it comes to public transport.
Politics shouldn't come into it. Need is what matters, and that is what the Sunshine Coast has needed for a long time.
The budget will be handed down at 2 p.m.
This budget will all be about housing, health and, of course, delivering better community safety and improving the cost of living for Queensland families.
Charlie Daly Watkins, 7 News.